How to fix Spotify login error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, we are simply going to learn how we can fix the login error on Spotify. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So the problem is that sometimes what happens is when you open the Spotify app, you have been automatically logged out of your account, and whenever you try to log in, it says incorrect credentials. So in order to fix that, we are going to run through some of the checks on this video. The first thing is to simply open the Spotify app and then update the Spotify app to the latest version. Because when you were logged out automatically, most probably Spotify wanted you to update the application, so you want to go ahead and simply tap on the update button on the right hand side of the screen. After you update it, open Spotify and try to log into your account. If that fixes the issue, which in most cases it does, that's perfectly fine. If it doesn't, the other thing you can do is to simply long press on the Spotify app right over here, and here you're going to simply tap on the eye icon in order to go to the settings page. Once you tap on the eye icon here, you're going to scroll down. At the bottom you'll find an option called storage, so we are going to go and tap on storage. As we tap on storage here, we are going to simply clear the cache files, and we're also going to clear data and tap on OK. As we tap on clear cache and clear data, we are going to come back, and first of all, you can simply see the permissions options at the top of the screen. You can simply tap on permissions and make sure you have all of the permissions turned on and allowed. Once you have also allowed the permissions, you need to come back, and at the bottom right you'll find an option called force stop. So we are going to simply go ahead and tap on the force stop button. As we tap on force stop, the application is going to be force stopped from the background as well. Now we are going to simply open Spotify and try to log into your account. Now hopefully one of these fixes have worked for you. If it still doesn't fix the issue, then it is most likely that you are entering an incorrect credentials and you may have forgotten your password. If that is the case, then you want to simply try to reset your email or your password. We recommend you watch our other video where we show you how you can actually reset your login credentials on Spotify. We hope this video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, then also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.